In this video, I am going to talk about another 12 free certification courses from Udemy. So let's see directly what are these 12 free certification courses. The first course is here, Java Programming Complete Beginner to Advanced. This course will help you to become a computer programmer by learning core Java skills from this course. The second course is here, Cryptocurrency course, Learn to Make Money Online Worldwide. It is the course that will help you to learn a step-by-step strategy for making money with cryptocurrencies. The third course is here, Complete Python Bootcamp, Go Beginner to Expert in Python 3. You can learn Python today, beginner to advanced in Python programming. Python, MongoDB, SQLite, List, Tuple, Python OOP, Python 3. The next course is here, Complete Web Application Penetration Testing Practical C. You can learn 100% hands-on real-world practical approach, hack a website like pro, and protect your company from cyber attacks. The next one is Android Games Monetization Without Coding. You can create and monetize a fully functional professional mobile games without coding or experience and in less than 1 day. The next course is the Python Programming Comprehensive Bootcamp. You can become a certified Python developer, learn and practice Python Programming 3.9, and boost your dev career in short time. The next one is Neural Networks with Tensorflow. And the one is Master Premiere Pro Advanced Techniques. You can become an efficient advanced video editor in Premiere Pro. The another one is How to Create Personal Brand for Beginners. You can build your personal brand. Agile Kanban for software development teams. You can learn the Kanban way of Agile project management. Solidity and Blockchain for beginners. You can learn how to create smart contracts. And here the last one is JavaScript Complete Real-Time Essential Course 2020. You can take a deep dive into JavaScript, a must-know language in web development with hands-on practical experience. And you'll get the link of all of these free certification courses in the video description. Please check it there.